Hey everyone, welcome to my new channel. I don't know what it's called yet, but we're gonna be building some Legos. We're gonna talk about life, talk about my family. Yeah, so today I actually picked up this Infinity Gauntlet Lego set for $80 off of Facebook Marketplace. I know, right? What a steal. Wow. Today we're gonna try and build it together, hopefully before my firstborn son wakes up so that he doesn't mess things up. So let's get started. So I actually haven't built any Lego set aside from this Monster Truck Technic set that I got for my son a while back. So this will be my very first Lego set that I'll be building by myself. So right out of the box here you can see this beautiful image of what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to be 12.5 inches tall, and it has all 6 Infinity Stones, which Thanos used to pretty much kill half the population of the entire world. So without further ado, I'm going to open the box and we're going to start building it, and I'll show you a time-lapse video of what it looks like when I build it, and hopefully show you the finished product before my child wakes up. So there you have it, guys. This is the first part of our Lego Infinity Gauntlet. I'm going to take a break for now and hang out with this little guy that just woke up, and I'll continue on in a second. Welcome back, guys. Kids are now asleep, so we're going to move on to the second pack of this Lego set. And just like a while ago, we're going to go with a time-lapse video, so it go by real quick. There you go, guys. This is the finished second bag. So we're moving on to the third bag and finish the whole set. There you have it, guys. This is the complete Infinity Gauntlet Lego set. Comes with the sign as well, and what's cool is that the Infinity Stones are all in different shapes and colors as well. Is very posable. You can move the fingers around, yeah, and it looks fun. I'm gonna display it on my shelf now. So thanks for watching, guys.